Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera lagging on video mode. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Snapchat opens with a camera and you can now record short video. As you can see, my camera is not lagging now, but if your camera is lagging, you can easily solve that problem. So you can close your Snapchat app for now, and the first thing you may try is to open up App Store, then search for Snapchat. And right here you can open up Snapchat app page, and if this button says update, you can just tap on that button to install the latest Snapchat app version. Once you did that, you can hit add open button again to check if it helps you or not. If for some reason it doesn't help, you might try the next solution. Let's move on to the next solution, and you're gonna open up settings. Then you can scroll all the way down until you find Snapchat right here. Or sorry, not here. So on settings you have to go to general, then iPhone storage, and you have to find Snapchat right here in that way. And on that screen you can force reinstall Snapchat app, and that can remove any bugs, any glitches, any app errors. So you can hit first at that offload app button to offload Snapchat from your device. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So you can hit at offload app, then confirm it, then wait for some time, and after that you are able to reinstall the app. This will reinstall the app and place back all the app data and documents that are still present on this iPhone. You can hit at reinstall app, and by doing that you can force reinstall your Snapchat app from the scratch. And after that process is finished, you can open up Snapchat app and use it as you did that before without even entering your login and password. Now you can write down in the comments below if it helps you or not, and also if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. See you in the next one.